Meanwhile, Malacanang denies it had a hand in the return of Attorney Reyes. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma also stressed that what the palace is after is for all those involved to be made accountable for the misuse of public funds. Rocky Ignacio reports.
Malacanang assured the wheels of justice will grind against those involved in the misuse of public funds. Presidential Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said this following the return to the country of Attorney Gigi Reyes, former Chief of Staff of Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, and who, along with Senators Enrile, Jingo Estrada, and Bong Revilla, and several others, is charged with plunder by the Office of the Ombudsman over the alleged 10 billion pork barrel scam.
Ang mahalaga lamang dito ay malaman ng sambayanan ng buong katotohanan dahil ang pinag-uusapan ay yung paggamit ng pondo ng bayan. At mahalaga rin na magkaroon ng pananagutan o public accountability yung lahat ng mga dapat managot. Kaya yan ang pinagtutuunan natin ng pansin.
Malacanang also denied any hand in the return of Reyes to the country. Reyes arrived last Saturday and expressed readiness to face the case against her.
Hihintayin natin na umiral ang mga kinauukulang proseso ng batas hinggil dyan. Wala tayong proyekto na pasalitain siya o anyayahan siyang gumawa ng anong bagay na hindi naman nanggagaling sa kanyang sariling inisyatiba.
So there would be no force or undue influence that Gigi Reyes would execute an affidavit under duress in presence of the NBI or the Ombudsman.
Walang ganyang bagay no, sa programa ng administrasyon.
Malacanang earlier stated that the evidence will bring out the truth. The palace official reiterated, just like many Filipinos, the government is determined to put an end to the anomaly.
Yung pagbigay ng opinion hinggil sa kanyang testimonya ay nasa kamay na ng Office of the Ombudsman na siyang may kapangyarihan at tungkulin na gawin yan. Nagawa na ng pamahalaan ang dapat na gawin nang isinama ng Department of Justice ang kanyang pangalan sa listahan ng mga inaakalang may kinalaman doon sa mga usaping yan. Kaya hindi para sa atin ngayon na magkuro-kuro pa o magbigay ng opinion dahil nasa ilalim na yan ng proseso ng Ombudsman.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.